In 1945, final defeat came to the Japanese. 3 days after the war's end, a committee of national leaders proclaimed the independence of the Republic of Indonesia, with Sukarno as president. Thus, on their own initiative, seizing the freedom promised 3 years earlier by the Dutch. With the Japanese defeated and no Allied forces at hand to take over in their place, nationalist feeling swept the people of Indonesia. The Indonesian Republic was 6 weeks old before the first Allied forces returned to the Indies, and some 2,000 British troops, with a contingent of Dutch, landed at Batavia. But by that time, the nationalist government had grasped the opportunity to entrench itself in Java and Sumatra, and Republican extremists had fanned in
August 14, 1945, Syahrir, Wikana, and Darwis arrived at Sukarno's residence at Jalan Pegangsaan Timur, number 56, Jakarta around 9 p.m. to convey the result of their meeting.
Boom! I just heard news on BBC Radio London from Bandung that Japan will surrender to the Allies, which means there is power vacuum in Indonesia.
If that's the case, we must pack our group, especially Bung Karno, to eventually proclaim independence.
That's right. Japan is no longer authority here. We must take advantage time.
That's right.
Independence is alright and the people right. Let us ask Bung Karno and Bung Hatta to declaration it now will Japan is in the Sarai.
Exactly. Wikana and Carol, let's go to Bung Karno house.
Hey, Bung.
Come in. There are relative beginners.
I heard that Japan has surrendered to the Allies from BBC Radio. We must expect to test a radio group preparing to independence tonight. They proclaim it.
We can just declare independent like that. We must discuss with the PPKI meeting.
We cannot PPKI because PPKI about Japan, Indonesia independence.
Karena true is proper to diskusi PPKI because PPKI diskusi independent.
We have wait from Japan's promise to grant us independence. We can do this, book, let us and proclaim independence ourselves. Why?
Japan has surrendered, but our strength is still limited. How will we protect the people if war breaks out? We must be full prepared.
But the sooner we declaration independence, not a give country another.
Alright, Bung.
Alright then, we'll take our leave.
Because none of the four would back down from their opinion, the meeting ended with Syahrir, Wikana, Darwis, and Khairul Saleh leaving Sukarno's house with disappointment. The youth immediately gathered to discuss the situation.
What's going on? Are you urging us to proclaim independence right away?
We can do this, Leslie. We need preparation, Bung.
I agree. Let's repent continuous.
How should we respond to the news opinion? Should we just build them?
The youth attempt led by Sultan Syahrir to convince Ir Sukarno to proclaim independence immediately failed. August 16 in 1945, midnight, the youth held a meeting at Asrama Baperpi, Cikini Street 61. The meeting decided to evacuate Sukarno and Hatta to Rengas Dengklok. The goal was to prevent Japanese influence over them at 4 p.m. On August 16, 1945, they were taken by a group of youth to the Rengas Dengklok.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. What do you have disagree?
We've come to take you and Mr. Atta with us to safe place.
Safe place? What do you?
We are taking you to a secure location.
Alright, we will come with you.
It is to bring Miss Matwanti and your son, Hans will, to ensure their safety.
Okay, I will bring them.
Proklamasi it now. That's right.
The mysterious disappearance of Sukarno and Hatta caused panic among leaders in Jakarta. The incident was only discovered by Mr. Ahmad Subarjo at 8 AM.
Do you know where Bung Karno and Bung Hatta are?
Sorry, I don't know.
If they are ready to declaration independent, they should result to Jakarta.
Okay, we will show you the place.
Mr. Subarjo successfully convinced the youth not to rush. Around 11 p.m. on August 16, 1945, Sukarno and his group returned to Jakarta homes briefly before heading to Admiral Maida residence to draft the proclamation text. August 16, 1945, at 11 p.m., the group arrived in Jakarta.
August 17, 10 West Indonesia time, Sukarno read the proclamation text.
Proklamasi. Kami, bangsa Indonesia, dengan ini menyatakan kemerdekaan Indonesia. Hal-hal yang mengenai pemindahan kekuasaan dan lain-lain diselenggarakan dengan cara seksama dan dalam tempo sesingkat-singkatnya. Jakarta, 17 Agustus 1945. Atas nama bangsa Indonesia, Soekarno Hatta.
Tanah airku tidak kulupakan, kan terkenang selama hidupku. Biarpun saya pergi jauh, tidakkan hilang dari kalbu. Tanahku yang ku cintai, engkau ku hargai. Walaupun banyak negeri ku jalani,
proklamasi kami, bangsa Indonesia, dengan ini menyatakan kemerdekaan Indonesia. Hal-hal yang mengenai pemindahan kekuasaan dan lain-lain diselenggarakan dengan cara saksama dan dalam tempo yang sesingkat-singkatnya. Jakarta, 17 Agustus 1945, atas nama bangsa Indonesia, Soekarno Hatta.